Hi guys. First click on open network and sharing center, then Ethernet, then details, then copy this default gateway IP and open it in your browser. Means you can paste here. It will ask you username and password. Username and password both will be admin. Then click on configuration wireless network. Then scroll down. See. Here it is written WPA passphrase, and this is the password of your Wi-Fi. If you are using web security, then your password will be written here. Thanks.